Okay, this is Barefoot Grandpa and my assistant Owen and our assistant Roxy. And several of you have asked about getting the YouTube silver button, and it has come. It's amazing the growth in subscribers, and you guys are all just awesome. So with that, Owen gets to open the box. Okay. Whoa. So here's the YouTube silver button for an amazing growth in subscribers. Thank you all. This has been a fantastic journey so far, and it's going to even get better. So be good humans. This is Barefoot Grandpa and my assistant Owen and Roxy saying see you later.